Welcome to this presentation on finding the maximum number using pointers in C. In this session, we will demonstrate how pointers can help in solving this problem efficiently. And we will explore the logic step by step. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the objectives of this presentation. We aim to learn how to find the maximum number in an array using pointers in C. By the end, we will have a better understanding of pointer manipulation, memory addressing, and how these concepts are applied in solving problems. Now let's look at what our program does. It starts by taking input from the user for the number of elements in the array and their values. We then use a pointer to traverse the array and find the maximum number. By the end of the process, the program outputs the highest value from the array. In the input section, the program first asks the user for the number of elements in the array. This is done using a simple printf statement, followed by scanf to capture the user's input. After this, the program enters a loop to capture all the elements of the array. Next, the program initializes an array to store the input values. It uses a for loop to iterate over the number of elements, asking the user to input each one. The values are stored in the array for further processing. This is a straightforward way to gather data for our program. Now let's dive into the pointer initialization. The pointer ptr is set to the first element of the array. The max variable is initially set to the value of the first element, which we access using the pointer. At this point, we are ready to start comparing the rest of the elements. Here's where the pointer comes into play. We enter a loop that moves the pointer to the next element using ptr++. With each iteration, we check if the current element pointed to by ptr is greater than the current maximum. If it is, we update the max value. This is how the program compares all the elements to find the largest one. Finally, after all comparisons, the program prints out the maximum value found in the array. This is done using a simple printf statement, displaying the result to the user. At this point, the program has successfully identified the largest number in the array using pointers. To conclude, we have seen how pointers can be used effectively to manipulate memory and traverse through arrays in C. By understanding and utilizing pointers, we can create more efficient and flexible programs. This program not only finds the maximum number but also demonstrates the power of pointers in C. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the concepts we covered, please feel free to ask now.